Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I've got another video. You know, when I find good things out there, I always want to share with you guys. That's the purpose of this channel. So whenever I find something that is good out there and that I think can help you in your own trading, I always try my best to bring it to your attention. Then obviously you can use it in your own trading and you can test it out and see if it works, or you can find out ways of tweaking it and make it useful for yourself. So today is just another video where I'm going to show you another powerful trading view indicator that you can use. Is basically for free. So I don't know, you probably are aware of it, or you probably are not aware of it. It's probably the first time that you are seeing this indicator. It's a powerful indicator that I'm going to show you. Before we get into that, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any future videos. By subscribing, you don't miss any future videos. Go ahead and like the videos if you like me sharing all these videos with you. So go ahead and like the videos to just show me that you love what I'm doing, so that I will continue doing this. If you're also looking for other stuff, courses, forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that that you need for your trading that people are selling out there, you can download everything for free using the links in the description box below. So let's get into our video. By the way, the broker that I use, many people ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. After doing my analysis on TradingView, I then go ahead and do my trades on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 using my broker. With just $5, you can start trading a regular trading account, which you can use to test these indicators and things that people are selling, the robots, courses, and stuff like that, without putting too much of your capital on the line. We don't do demo here, so yeah, $5 is a good account to be testing things. So let's get back to this video. So the indicator that I have for you today, we are actually on gold, and this is actually on the daily time frame. But anyway, we are going to go to indicators, and we are going to look for optimized trend. The spelling of optimized is okay. Okay, so it's optimized with a set, not the British optimized, it's the American optimized. So if you go to if you search for optimized trend, we are looking for optimized trend tracker. This one, the first one, with at the time of doing this video, at about 11,000 downloads. So that's the one that we are looking for, by Keep Van Oz Belgium. I don't know whether, I think this is Eastern European. I don't know, but anyway. So we're just going to add it to our chart, and that's all that we need for today. After this, you can easily do whatever you want with this indicator. You can add in your RSI. If you want to filter out any bad trades, you can add in your MACD. You can add in your whole or other stuff if you are wanting to filter trades. But what I usually do in after doing this is I love to use these Japanese candles, either the Renko or the Heiken Ashi. The Renko, I'm not sure if it's Japanese, but the Heiken Ashi is one of my best candles to use. It kind of filters out the noise. For example, normal Japanese candles, you can see the noise with the normal Japanese candles. But then if we use the Heiken Ashi, you can see we kind of filtered out the noise. So when you put in the Heiken Ashi candles onto the OTT indicator, you can see we have a good recipe for a good something there. This is gold, and this is actually on the daily time frame. Imagine if you had entered there. Just imagine if you had entered there and you just held until around there when the buy signal came. And you probably, in this scenario, I usually don't trade these scenarios. Avoid these scenarios when uh, the price is moving sideways. Yeah, unless you are going to go to the lower time frames. Let's see if we go to the lower time frames. We can start with the 4 hourly and just see. So this is how the 4 hourly looks like. Still a powerful indicator. You can see it gave you a sell and it just told you to just hold on. You just needed to hold on. You just needed to hold on. And then it gave you a buy here. And you just needed to hold on. And until it gives a sell signal, then you can get out. Otherwise, you can also come here and you can what? You can change what the settings according to whatever you feel like. But I'm just showing you the potential of this indicator, what using the default settings. So here with a buy on the 4 hourly, so you could have bought for about 3 hours, which is good, but you could have sold for a couple of more hours. This is about 12 hours because this is the 4 hourly. So, but we could have bought for 8 hours because we start here and somewhere there and close out and wait for another signal. So give this indicator a try and tweak it according to what you feel might be good settings for it. But you can see the potential with this indicator, especially if you combine it with the Aiken Ashi candles. If you go back to the daily, I mean, you can try to test it for scalping. You can try to test it for your scalping. But generally, what we are trying to do is once we start seeing the Aiken Ashi candles, you want to go in and you want to, at least after a daily candle or two daily candles, you start trailing that position and you also want to take some money off the table. You need to take some money off the table. In a case like this, obviously, you would have made a lot of money. In a case like this, you'd have made a lot of money. This is gold. If you've traded gold, you know what I mean. So if you entered a buy in this scenario, and especially if you are catching these also at support and resistance levels, then you have got a good recipe for a good system. So I just thought, let me bring this to your attention. Let me bring this to your attention because I love doing this. When I find something that is good and promising, I always try to bring it to your attention. So go ahead and play around with this indicator and see if it cannot help your trading. Guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like the video. If you have any settings that you are using for this indicator, definitely leave them in the comment section below so that we help other traders. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.